All right, today we're gonna be previewing this track. This is an infinity track. It comes with a junction right in the middle, couple of curves. It fits pretty good on a table, on a dining room table. I do have my own table, but this is a dining room table. These are the cars. They're made to crash and come apart. You can put them back together. You can also detail them. The engine is in there, the passengers in there. But basically, you get 3 of these batteries, rechargeable, which we include the charger. Plus, these are the cars in that package, but we'll talk about that later. Right now, we're gonna talk about these. This is how you charge them. Very simple. You put the phone right in it. You press down, and you start hearing the car. The more the batteries are charged, the more power you get. But basically, that's it. It's going like hell. I'm gonna charge the other one. Whoa, I'm gonna charge the other one real quick. You give it the race. Whoa, that thing is fast. Well, see that one came apart already. Wow, pretty fast, man. Whoa, good case. That's pretty good. Whoa, whoa, boom! Hey, they get back up there again. This is fun. Whoa, that was not much fun. The car is still together. They're building right. The other one is running. And you see, it only took a couple of seconds on that charger. There you go. This is the NASCAR track. They're running out of juice. They're running out of gas. All right, gas it up. All right, then again, we charge it right here. We press down on it. Try to spin freely. Once you get on there charge, you let it loose. Whoa, you want to grab the other one and charge the other one. That's basically what he does. And as you can see, here is when it comes apart. You can detail that, make it look like the pilot, the roll crowbars, and the engine. They're made to come apart on impact. And that thing is gone. Oh, the door came out too. No, I have it backwards. Oh, have some fun now. Missing the hood. Gotta find the hood. There you go. That was fun. The other one is still going. Let's chat with him. All right, put together. Yep, that's the NASCAR crew. Woohoo! It's a lot of fun. We got some fuel. We gotta cut up. The other one needs to stop for fuel. Whoa, it's coming apart, Captain. Let it fly. Whoa, whoa. Again, that was fun. It's meant to come apart again on the crashes. That was cool. Well, that one is gone. A lot of fun.